Okay. We have taken the max terms. The max terms are indicated as 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 9, 10, 12, 13. Now we have to write the index numbers. 0 index number is 0. And you have to write the 1 index numbers. What are the 1 index numbers, Nanu? What are the 1 index numbers? 1 index numbers ఏముంటాయండి మనకున్న మ్యాక్స్ టర్మ్స్ లో 1 index numbers ఏంటో చెప్పండి 1 index numbers are 1 2 4 8 9 we have 2 and 4 the 1 index numbers are 2 and 4 are 1 index number that is the binary equivalent the total number of ones are 1
sir 8 కూడా కదా సార్
8 ఓకే నా చెప్తారా లేదని చూస్తున్నాను 1 2 4 8 next now 2 index numbers now 2 index numbers 3 5 6 9 10 11 now. In this we have to find out the 3 index numbers 3 is not there 5 is not there we have the 6 now 6 తర్వాత ఏముందన్న 9 after 9 we have the 10 and 12 these are the 2 index numbers. Next 3 index numbers now 3 index numbers are 7 11 13 14 7 11 13 14 only we have the 13 now. There is no 4 index number. Okay, we have grouped the based upon the index, that is the max terms are rearranged according to the index numbers, that is 0 group 2 4 8 second group 6 9 10 12 third group and 13 is the fourth group. Now we have to take the next one, that is we are calling this as step number 1. Step number 1. What we have to do now? The same procedure even for the POS or SOP. We have to compare the second group with first group, and we have to verify the comparison must be valid. The valid means it must be the difference of 2 to the power of n, and the second group must be greater than first group. Therefore, if you compare 2 and 0, this is a valid comparison. 0, 2. You have to write the difference in the bracket 2. After the comparison, make a tick mark. Comparison అయిపోయిన తర్వాత tick mark indicate చేయండి. Next, 4, 0. It is a valid comparison. You can write 0, 4. The difference is 4. It is also valid comparison. 8, 0. 0, 8. It is also a valid comparison. We can write 0, 8. And we have completed the first group is completed the comparison with the second group. Therefore, we have to take a group here. Next, we are comparing the second group with third group. 6 minus 4. So 6 minus 2. That is 2 is compared. See, that is we can write 2, 6. The difference is 4. It is also valid comparison. Next, 6 is compared with respect to 4. 4, 6. It is also valid comparison. We can write the difference is 2. The difference is 2, 4, 6. Next, 6 and 8. The difference is 2, but it is the invalid since 6 is less than 8. We cannot make this comparison. 6 and 8 we compare. 6 is less than 8. Next, going with 9. 9 minus 2, 7. It is not valid. 9 minus 4, 5. Not valid. 9 minus 8. It is a valid comparison. We can write 8, 9. The difference is 1. Take a tick mark here. Next, 2 minus 10 minus 2, 8. That is 2, 10. The difference is 8. 2, 10. The difference is 8. Take a tick mark. Next, 10, 4, 6. 10, 8. Difference is 2. 8, 10. We can write the difference as 2. It is completed. Next, 12 minus 10. 10. It is not valid. 12 minus 4, 8. Valid. That is 4, 12. Then it will difference as 8. It is a valid. Next, 12 is completed. 12 minus 8, 4. That is 8, 12. We get the difference as 4. We get the difference as 4. It is also valid. All the comparisons are completed now. The second group is compared with third group. Therefore, we can make a separation here. Next, we are comparing with respect to third group with fourth group now. 13 minus 6, 7. Not a valid. 13 minus 9, 4. That is 9, 13. The difference is 4. It is a valid. Therefore, 13 is covered. Similarly, check 13 minus 10, not valid. 13 minus 12, valid. That is 12 minus comma 13. Difference is 1. Observe now. In the first step, in the all the index numbers are covered. Check చేసుకున్నాను. అన్ని tick marks వచ్చేలా check చేసుకోండి. Tick mark రాకపోతే we have to write this particular maximum in prime implicant table. Now we are going for the step number 2. Step number 2 కి వెళ్తున్నాను. మీరు ఇక్కడ జాగ్రత్త చేయాలి. Step number 2. మనం మీరు parallel గా మీరు చేయగలిగితే చేసేయండి. We'll verify now. We have to compare the first group with second group where the difference is identical. See that 0 comma the difference is 2. 2 difference ekkada undana? This is we are having the 2 difference for these two now. We are going to compare these two numbers. two groups ni compare chestam. That is we are writing 0 to 0 to 4 6. The minimum difference is 2 and maximum difference is 0 minus 2 and the new difference is 4 2 comma 4. This is first comparison. Next mali 2 undanu 0 to 8 10. These two numbers na ee number ni compare chestunna ee number ni compare chestunna. The differences are identical. We can write 0 to 8 10. The minimum difference 0 minus 2 comma maximum difference is 8 2 comma 8. We have completed this and this is completed and this is completed. Write a tick mark here. Inka 2 undana, there is no 2. Next we are going for the 4 now. 4 0 4 is compared with these e2 numbers check chestam. E2 groups ni check chestam. This and this 0 to 4 6 already covered now. Therefore there is no requirement to write. Just make a tick mark for these two groups. Again 4 is there. Inka 4 in the last one. Compare these two now. 0 4 8 12. This is not covered. 0 4 8 12 lena. Therefore we can write 0 4 8 8 and 12. The minimum difference is 4 and the maximum difference is 8. 0 4 and 0 8. 0 4 comma 8. Therefore we are covering this also. This is also covered. Next now 8 difference is ఒకటే ఉంది మనకి 2 ఉన్నాయి. See 0 to 8 10 it is also covered. 0 to 8 10 we are comparing these two now. 8 difference 0 to 8 it is also covered. Therefore there is no requirement. Just make a tick mark for these two. మళ్ళీ ఇంకో 8 ఉందండి. 0 4 8 12 we are comparing 8 differences. These two 8 differences 0 4 8 12 it is also covered. Therefore write a tick mark here. That is all the comparisons are completed now. Only one max terms are not 8 and 9 max terms with the difference of 1 is not verified. Then charta meer unnecessary tick mark pedte miss ayipothunna. Don't make a tick mark here now. This is not covered. Now we are comparing this group with this group. Therefore ikkada completed got just take a separation line. Now compare these two groups with identical differences. 4 difference ikkada undandi. 4 and 4 ikkada 4 4 equal compare 9 minus 2 na check చేయండి. ఈ డిఫరెన్స్ కూడా పవర్స్ ఆఫ్ 2 లోనే ఉండాలి. 9 minus 2 ఎంతైనా 7. It is not a valid comparison. జాగ్రత్తగా చూడండి. I am comparing this with this now. ఈ రెండింటిని కంపేర్ చేస్తున్నాను. Even though the differences are identical, but the difference of this 2 and 9 is 7. It is not in the powers of 2. Therefore it is invalid. Therefore we cannot make a comparison with 4 with this now. We cannot compare this. ఇంకో 4 నేను చూడండి. We are having one more 4 now ఇక్కడ. We are comparing these two. చూడండి. ఈ 4 తో కంపేర్ చేస్తే ఏమవుతుంది? Identical. 9 minus 1 is 1. 12 minus 13 is 1. That is this is a valid comparison. We can write 8 9 12 13. The first difference is 1. 8 minus 1 1. 8 minus 12 is 4. 1 comma 4. We have covered this also. This is also covered. Next 4th అయిపోయిందని. Next 2 లేదు. 1 ఒకటి ఉందని we can make the comparison of these two now. 8 9 1 difference. 8 9 12 13. 8 9 12 13. This is completed. Therefore we can make a tick mark here now. Therefore these two are covered. ఇంకేముందన all the comparisons అంటే pair comparisons మొత్తం కూడా మ్యాథ్స్ టర్మ్స్ కి కంప్లీట్ అయిపోయింది. The new here అండి ఇక్కడ మనకి స్టెప్ నెంబర్ 2 లో చెక్ చేసుకున్నాం. Is there any comparison between the first group and second group now? 2, 4 identical ఇక్కడ ఎక్కడ లేదు, 2, 8 లేదు, 4, 8. Therefore there is no further comparisons. There is no further comparisons. Okay, right up to this point. Here we have identified these terms now. What are the uncovered numbers in the step number 2? 2, 4, 2, 8, 4, 8, 1, 4. These max terms are not covered in step number 2. And verify once again. Rearrangement of max terms are covered. Step number 1, all the max terms are covered. In step number 2, we have 4 groups. 4 groups cover all. We have to write once again the table now. What is the table now? We have to write the prime implicants now. Prime implicants ఏంటో ఐడెంటిఫై చేయడానికి టేబుల్ రాసుకోవాలి. That is, I am erasing this now. ఇక్కడ వరకు మీరు రాసుకున్నాను. నోట్ చేసుకున్నారా నాన్న? Therefore, I am writing the decimal numbers. Decimals. What are the numbers, Nana? The numbers are, we have to write the entire table here. 0, 2, 4, 6. And the differences are 2, 4. And second one is 0, 2, 8, 10. 2, 8 are the differences. 0, 4, 8, 12. The differences are 4, 8. 8, 9, 12, 13. Differences are 1, 4. And we have to write the next one as binary equivalence. Next heading is binary equivalence. General one a notation lo untundana, we have taken the ABCD కాబట్టి you can write A B C D. మీకు తెలియకపోతే ఇక్కడ 8421 అని కూడా రాసుకోండి. 8421 నోటేషన్, ఆ నోటేషన్ లో వస్తుంది. ఐడెంటిఫై ద ఇంప్లికెంట్స్ అన్న ఎలా చెప్పాను, ఇక్కడ ఏం చేయాలని చెప్పాను మీకు. ఆ నెంబర్ ఏంటో తెలియకపోతే దిస్ ఇండికేట్స్ ద పొజిషన్ ఆఫ్ డాష్ మార్క్స్ 2 and 4. 2 and 4, that is, and we are having dash here and dash here. We have to fill these two terms now. That is, in the positions B and C, that's term A, B, C, D. We are having the 2 and 4 now. Second position and fourth position. The first one, we have to fill these two. A number into the identify cheyanappudu we have to write the equivalence of 0, binary equivalent 0, 0, 0, 0. Second 2 can 0, 0, 1, 0, 4, 0, 1, 0, 0, 6, 0, 1, 1, 0. See, this is varying and this is varying. The constant is 0, 0. That is 0 dash dash 0. That is 0 dash dash 0. And the prime implicant is, what is the prime implicant? A0, D0 kabatti A bar into A. Sorry. The prime implicants we are writing in terms of max terms now. Max terms ante evavutunna A plus D. We are writing the prime implicants in terms of max terms. Max terms lo vastundandi, that is sum terms. Sum terms vastundandi. Prime implicants ela vastundandi ikkada sum terms avuthayi, not product terms now. Next 0 to 8, 10. 0 to 8, 10. 8 10. 8 and 10. 8 ante 1 0 0 0. 10 ante 1 0 1 0. చూడండి పొజిషన్ నెంబర్ 2 and 8. 8 is dash and 2 is dash అని చూడండి. 8th పొజిషన్ లో వేరియేషన్ వచ్చింది 0 0 1 1. Second position 0 1 0 1. The remaining position dash, constant is 0 dash, and the constant is 0. That is dash 0 dash 0. B0 B0. We can write B plus B. 0 అంటే నార్మల్ లో వస్తుందనా, 1 అంటే కాంప్లిమెంట్ లో వస్తుంది. నెక్స్ట్ 0 4 8 12. 0 4 8 12 11 00. మన పొజిషన్స్ ఏంటంటే 4 and 8 నన్ను. 4 8 ఆర్ డాష్ నన్ను, రిమైనింగ్ వీ హ్యావ్ టు ఫిల్ సి నన్ను. ఫోర్త్ పొజిషన్ లో మీకు వేరియేషన్ వస్తుంది. ఫోర్త్ పొజిషన్ 0 0 1 1 వచ్చింది. ఎయిత్ పొజిషన్ కూడా 0 1 0 1 వచ్చింది. బట్ దీస్ టూ ఆర్ కాన్స్టెంట్. ఇస్ డాష్ డాష్ 0 0 డాష్ డాష్ 0 0. ఇప్పుడు ఏమవుతుంది, C0 D0. We can write this as C plus D. We can write this as C plus D. And the last one, what is the last one? 8 9 12 13. 8 9 12 13. Right now 8 1 0 0 0 9 1 0 0 1 12 1 1 0 1 0, and 13 is 1 1 0 1. Position number 1 and 4 none. First position is dash and fourth position is dash. First position, this is varying 1 0 0. This is varying out. This is dash 0 dash and 1 1 0 0 1 1 dash 0 0. A ki 0 వచ్చింది కాబట్టి we have to write A bar. C ki 0 వచ్చింది కాబట్టి C. What are the prime implicants? No? The prime implicants are A plus D, B plus D, C plus D, A bar plus C. These are my prime implicants. ఒకసారి నోట్ చేసుకోండి prime implicants. The prime implicants are A plus D, B plus D, C plus D, and A bar plus C. These are the prime implicants. Now, up to this point, for the two problems, it is same none. Make in the kitchen two problems kuda ee step varaku same none. Don't care sunna, don't care like paina. The procedure is same up to this point none. We have to note the prime implicants up to this point. Next, we have to draw the prime implicant table. We have to draw the prime implicant table. What is the prime implicant table? In the prime implicant table, we have to write the prime implicants. The prime implicants are A plus D, A plus D, B plus D, C plus D, A bar plus C. నా ఇప్పుడు మీరు చెప్పాలి నాన్న, మ్యాథ్స్ టర్మ్స్ అంటే మీరే చెప్పాలి. ఎలా వచ్చిందో చెప్పాల్సి ఉంటుంది. ఐఎమ్ అరైజింగ్ దిస్. వాట్ ఆర్ ద మ్యాథ్స్ టర్మ్స్ నాన్న? ఎక్కడ కావాలిందో రాయాలి. రైట్ ఆల్ ద మ్యాథ్స్ టర్మ్స్. 0 2 4 6 8 9 10 12 13. Write the table. Now Venkat, ఒకసారి చెప్పిన what are the maxims? A plus D. What are the maxims?
0 to
0 to
4 6.
0 to 4. A plus D maxims rana.
0 to 4 6 sir.
2 4 sir.
0 to 4 6. B plus D none.
0 to 8 10.
0 to 8 10. C plus D.
0 4 8 12.
0 4
8 12.
8 12. A bar plus C.
8 9 12 13.
8 9 12 13. Now what is the ఇప్పుడు ఏం చేయాలని ఇక్కడ దాకా వచ్చిన తర్వాత we have to identify the essential prime implicants first. Essential prime implicants are obtained by identifying the columns with single cross mark. Man single cross mark ఉన్న columns చూడండి. We are having the column number 6, column number 9, column number 10, column number 13. Therefore, I am taking the first. I am taking the column number 13 with a single cross mark, and this row and this is the essential prime implicant. Essential prime implicant is first one ఏమొచ్చిందన A bar plus C is the first essential prime implicant. ఇది కవర్ చేయడం ద్వారా ఏమి కవర్ అవుతున్నాయి? In this row, wherever the cross mark is there, here is the cross mark, we can make a tick mark here. Here we have the cross mark, we can take a tick mark here. Here we have cross mark, we have tick mark here. That is the max terms 8, 9, 12, 13 is covered by selecting this A bar plus C. And identify second none. I am selecting 10 none. By selecting this particular row, the row number 2, B plus D is the essential prime implicant. Write a star mark there and write the second prime implicant is B plus D. By selecting this is covering 10, 8 is covered, and 2 is covered, and 0 is also covered. The max terms 0 to 8, 10 is covered by selecting the essential prime implicant B plus D. Identify another none. Inkoti unda nana essential prime implicant
6 sir.
That is by selecting 6, A plus B is the third essential prime implicant. A plus B. By selecting this, it is covering 4, 2 is covered, 0 is covered. ఇప్పుడు జాగ్రత్త చెక్ చేయండి. All the max terms are verified. All the max terms are verified. That is, all the max terms are getting tick mark. Now, is there any prime implicant that is uncovered now? C plus D is not required for this minimization. Therefore, our final expression will be ఏమవుతుందన్న? What is the final expression nana? In the final expression, we can eliminate C plus D. That is, the F equals to output expression F equals to, we can write A bar plus C into B bar, so B plus D into A plus D. This is the final minimal expression. We have only one solution for this now. ఇంకో పాసిబిలిటీ లేదు, ఎందుకంటే this is eliminated. This is not required for the minimization. డౌట్ ఉంటే మనం ఒకసారి K-map లో చెక్ చేసుకుందాం. మీకు K-map లో చెక్ చేసుకుంటే you'll get the result now. నోట్ చేశారా అనేది? Up to this point, this is the solution for without don't case. Now, second problem lo don't case em ichana. Second problem don't case em ichana. Same problem, we have eliminated the two. What are the numbers now? We have eliminated, sorry, the max terms are don't 0, 8, 9, 13 are the don't cares now. 0, 8, 9 and 13 are considered as don't cares now. Second problem, same problem lo same max terms, but we have deleted these numbers. We have considered these numbers as don't care. The solution తీసుకున్నాను. First K-map verify చేద్దాం. We will verify the K-map first. I am erasing this. ఈ సొల్యూషన్ కరెక్ట్ వచ్చిందని K-map లో చెక్ చేసుకుందాం ఫస్ట్. And taking the K-map. ఎగ్జామ్ పాయింట్ ఆఫ్ వ్యూలో ఖచ్చితంగా K-map లో సొల్యూషన్ చెక్ చేయాలి నేను. Without checking the K-map, don't conclude the answer now. Answer ని కంక్లూడ్ చేయొద్దు. ఒక్కోసారి మనకి కవరింగ్స్ లో మిస్ అయినా కూడా K-map లో మనకి సొల్యూషన్ తెలిసిపోతుంది. By taking the references K-map, we can write the solution. What are the terms now? 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 9, 10, 12, 13. These are max terms, but max terms are filled with zeros. Now identify the solution. Four corners. To cover this term, I have to select the four corners. No doubt in that. Therefore, my essential prime implicant equals to B0, B0. That is B plus D is the first essential prime implicant. Verified here. Same vachindana. Next, to cover this one, దీన్ని cover చేయాలి. This is my second solution, second essential prime to cover this max term. To cover the 13 max term, this is an essential prime implicant. What is the solution? A bar plus C. A bar plus C. This is also covered. And the remaining is this one. To cover this, I have to make a quad like this. Quad like this. What is the solution? A plus D. A plus D. Third essential prime implicant. We have verified 3 essential prime implicants. All the max terms are covered in the K-map. Therefore, we can C plus D and cover out and clean. We C plus D. If you take this column, this column unnecessary cover chest C plus D. There is no requirement to cover this column. This column we cover chest but we are eliminating the column. We have eliminated the column. Now we will verify problem number 2. Problem number 2 ఏం చెప్పాను? The min terms are, I am writing the problem number. I am writing the same problem with the min terms, max terms. The max terms are 2, 4, 6, 10, 12. 2, 4, 6, 10, 12 are the max terms. And the don't cares are phi of m is given as 0, 8, 9, 13. 0, 8, 9, 13. 0, 8, 9, 13. Therefore, I am erasing this one. We will verify for the don't cares also. 0, 2, 4, 6, 10, 12. We have to write the 10 and 12. 10 and 12. We are eliminating we have eliminated the don't care son. 0, 2, 4, 6, 10, 12. Now, A plus D. A plus D cover out 0, 2, 4, 6. That is over. B plus D can what are the max terms? B plus D ki. Now, chapal me దగ్గర ఉన్నాయి. B plus D ki.
2, 4, 8, 10.
0, 4, 0, 2,
8, 10.
8 and 10. 8 is not there. 8 is a don't care. Eliminated. Next, C plus D nana.
0, 4, 8, 12.
0,
4, 8, 12. 12.
A bar plus C nana.
8, 9, 12, 13.
8, 9,
12, 13.
12, 13. And the remaining are don't care son. Now we have to find the solution. Okay, I am writing the same here also. K-map లో కూడా చేస్తున్నాను. సొల్యూషన్ ఎలా వచ్చిందో చెక్ చేసుకోండి. మీరు ట్రై చేయండి. మీరు ట్రై చేసి ఆన్సర్ చెప్పండి. దీన్ని కవర్ చేయండి. కవర్ చేసి మీకు ఏమొస్తుందో చెప్పండి. K-map డ్రా చేసి. Zero is a
Sir.
don't care.
సార్ 0 కూడా డోంట్ కేర్ అన్నారు కదా సార్.
అదేనా డోంట్ కేర్ కూడా 0 రాయాల్సిన అవసరం లేదు సార్. జస్ట్ ఐ యామ్ రైటింగ్ ద టేబుల్. Two, 4, 6, 12. 0, 2 is the max term. 4 is the max term. 6 is the max term, 8 is the don't care, 9 is the don't care, 10 is the max term, and 12 is the max term, and 13 is the don't care. We have 4 don't cares. What is the solution, Nana? Is there any single column, Nana? We have one column, Nana. Column number 10. This is having single column. We have to consider this as a essential prime implicant. That is, essential prime implicant is B plus D. We have single cross mark in the row number 10. We have considered this as an essential prime implicant. Essential prime implicant. చెప్పాలన్న రిమైనింగ్ సొల్యూషన్ ఏమవుతుందో చెప్పండి. దట్ ఈస్ ఇది కవర్ చేయడంతో ఏమవుతుంది? దిస్ ఈజ్ ఆల్సో కవర్డ్. వి హావ్ కవర్డ్ దీస్ టూ. 0 is 10 is covered and 2 is also covered now. ఈ కాలం లో రెండు కవర్ అయిపోయినాయి. We have to cover 4, 6, 12 now. 4, 6, 12. We have to select. Sorry, 6 is also single కదా. We have 6th column is also single. By selecting this, this is also essential prime implicant. We got A plus D. By selecting this, 4 is also covered. Only 12 is there now. When 12 select cheyadaniki, I can select C plus D or A bar plus C. This is select chesthe. If I select this, I can write the prime implicant as A bar plus C or C plus D. You don't need to option this course. That is, by selecting this, I can choose either of these one. That is A bar plus. We can choose C plus D. We have two options now. Therefore, we call these two as. We don't call this one. We call this as selective
prime implicant.
Therefore, the solution F equals to B plus D into A plus D into I can select first one A bar plus C. This is the first possible solution. Second possible solution B plus D into A plus D into I can take C plus D. We are getting two possible solutions. First one and second one. Two possible minimum solutions are obtained with this. K-map lo check cheyadam. K-map lo identify the essential prime implicant. నాకు ఈ టర్మ్ కవర్ చేయడానికి వేరే పాసిబిలిటీ లేదు క్వాడ్ చేయడానికి. టు మేక్ ఎ క్వాడ్ ద ప్రైమ్ ఇంప్లికెంట్ 10, we have to take this as essential. We have to cover 4 corners. Therefore, the essential prime implicants are B plus D is the first one. B plus D is the first one. And next one. What are the remaining possibilities? To cover the min term 6, sorry, to cover the max term 6, I have only one possibility as a quad like this. Therefore, I can write this as A plus C. Second prime implicant is A plus C. A plus D. A plus D. This is the second prime implicant. So, second essential prime implicant. And the last one, we have to cover the max term 12. 12 cover cheyadడానికి two possibilities ఉన్నాయి. I can make this as one quad or this as one quad. Are two possibilities we are getting A plus C, A bar plus C of C plus D. That is, if you cover this as a one option, we can write this as A bar plus C. If you select entire this column, we can write this as C plus D. That is, the selective prime implicant we are getting as A bar plus C, A bar plus C, or you can write this as C plus D. C plus D. Any doubts? Any doubts?